Now, even though the price of Shiba Inu Coin has been on a steady decline over the last couple of days, it still seems to be holding up at these levels of support around 24 to 24.50 points per coin. We're going to talk a little bit about the price action of Shiba Inu Coin in this video, and then of course we are going to jump into some articles. We've got some very bullish price predictions, and specifically we're going to be talking about this article right here, and then we're making reference to the Dogeverse Presale, because if you guys didn't notice, oh my goodness, I see a very strong correlation between what's being used for Shiba Inu Coin now and what's being used for Dogeverse. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? As you can see, we've got the price of Shiba Inu Coin on the screen right now, and yes, I am right there with you. After 3 strong rejections off the 2,800 point per coin level of resistance, Shiba Inu Coin has been hitting lower lows over the last couple of days and is now wedging down into the 2,400 point per coin area. As you can see, testing it, and hitting these lower lows. Could be wedging down here throughout tomorrow afternoon. Hopefully it ends up in a breakout to the upside as opposed to a breakout to the downside. But we do have some very positive price predictions for Shiba Inu Coin out there, and I want to talk about this one specifically. This article caught my eye because we've been talking a lot about the Dogeverse Presale, and this is the Dogeverse website picture, but it's being utilized to talk about Shiba Inu Coin and Shibarium. Now, you guys can read through the entirety of this article if you would like, but I do want to talk about some of the technical analysis on Shiba Inu Coin, because this it goes into depth about Shibarium and all of that, and I don't care too much about Shibarium and the fact that Shiba Swap and all of these new updates. But it says the meme coin Shiba Inu Coin is currently facing significant resistance at 2,600 points. If the bulls take charge and break through this barrier, the coin's value might rise towards 3,000 points per coin. This could set the stage for a potential rally to 5,000 points per coin. And actually, a lot of analysts are predicting if the bearish wedge that we're in right now, this ascending or descending trend line versus the horizontal support line, if that gets broken to the upside, they're calling it a symmetrical triangle, we could see a breakout to that 5,000 point per coin mark. On the flip side, if the bears strengthen their hold, the coin could fall back to its support level, 2,400 points per coin, which is exactly where it's testing today. Further negative shifts in market sentiment could see SHIB drop to 2,000 points per coin, or even back to that 900 to 1,000 point per coin area, and I do not want to be floating around at 1,000 points per coin again. We spent way too much time in that area, and I do not want to regress back down to those levels. Now, like I said, this article does not mention Dogeverse in any capacity, but it does utilize the Dogeverse website's sort of image here. So looking at that, I truly believe that even if these investors who are looking at Shiba Inu Coin, who are looking at Dogecoin and so on, don't know it, they are being exposed to Dogeverse. And I believe that is an extremely positive outlook for what Dogeverse can achieve after it launches. Now, we talked a little bit yesterday about the soft cap and hard cap of Dogeverse, but if you do find yourself interested, number one, I want to say thank you to Dogeverse for sponsoring this video. Absolutely incredible to get as much awareness out as possible for this project. But Dogeverse is selling out extremely quickly. $11.6 million sold already. The soft cap has been blown by, and Dogeverse can launch at any time now. With 1 day and 18 hours left until the next price increase, you guys only have a matter of a day before this 0.0003 level increases in price. What does that mean? If you make the decision to buy, you're going to want to make it very, very quickly here so you don't have to buy at an increased rate, but 1 Ethereum is going to get you 10.2 million Dogeverse. If you'd prefer to buy an USD Tether, of course you can, 1,000 USDT is going to get you 3.3 million Dogeverse. But it doesn't end there. The beautiful thing about Dogeverse is that you can buy on all of these blockchains. You can buy with Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Avalanche, Base, and Solana, opening up a world of opportunity for people to invest not only in this presale, but invest in the future utility, which is, it's not just a chain traveling Doge. This is a multi-chain bridge between the 6 most active blockchains outside of Bitcoin. It's going to be on the Ethereum blockchain, BNB, Polygon, Avalanche, Base, and Solana. Absolutely incredible to see that this multi-bridge utility is going to be meshing perfectly with the meme coin world. Guys, people love these dog coins. They eat them up simply because of the picture. Now imagine combining, well, what could be an extremely popular meme, right? Because it takes advantage of the Doge status. It's already being utilized for Shiba Inu Coin thumbnails. And of course, it's going to have this multi-chain bridging technology between all of these active blockchains. And it doesn't stop there. You can also earn ridiculously high passive income by staking your Dogeverse. Now, after you connect your wallet, you can simply stake your Dogeverse, and you can see that you're already earning 95% on an annualized basis. Now, this rate of reward comes down as more people stake their Dogeverse, so please keep that in mind. The reward rate is dynamic. So if you're splitting the rewards between more and more people, you're going to get a smaller slice of the pie. That's why if staking is what you're after, it's always good to go in early and stake rather than waiting until the end to stake. Now, if you do still have any questions about Dogeverse, please feel free to reach out to their Telegram group. Of course, make sure that you are talking to a legitimate moderator on their Telegram group and get your questions answered if they're not answered on this website. From there, you guys can see that Dogeverse is growing exponentially. And by the time you're watching this video, they may well have crossed the 10,000 followers mark. I mean, these guys are growing fast, not only in the amount of money that they are selling, but also in their social activity as well. 10,000 followers is not easy to do, but Dogeverse is able to accomplish that. Why? Because they are active. Guys, these guys are out there posting multiple times a day, engaging with the community in a way that you don't see a lot of projects do, and they have a lot of articles being written about them as well. You can go out and Google Dogeverse if you would like, but here's one thing you're going to run into. Scam websites, okay? Do not connect your wallet to any other website than what you guys see in the description below. It comes from the marketing team that is working directly with the Dogeverse team. It is an affiliate link. Yes, they're going to know that Claybro sent you, but it is the official link to take you out to the correct website. If you simply Google Dogeverse, you're going to see the HTTP, not the HTTPS. You're going to see the non-secure website pop up. You're going to see sponsored websites pop up. You're going to see fake social profiles popping up, and it's because people want to take advantage of you. Do not let that happen. Everyone is excited about Dogecoin right now, or Dogeverse right now, because the scammers are out in full force. You don't sell $11 million worth of anything in a couple week period and not expect scammer scum to show up and try to take your money. So let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.